In the heart of the lush verdant jungle where the sun streaked through the leafy canopy and the air buzzed with the symphony of nature, resided our two main characters, Bumble, the elephant, and Stripe, the tiger. Bumble, with his colossal frame and long curving tusks, was the gentle giant of the jungle. Despite his size, he moved with a grace that belied his bulk, his large ears flapping like flags in the wind. He was a creature of wisdom and kindness, always ready to lend a helping trunk to his fellow jungle dwellers. Stripe, on the other hand, was the embodiment of agility and strength. His sleek striped coat shimmered in the dappled sunlight, a striking contrast to Bumble's gray hide. Stripe was a brave and fierce protector of the jungle, his roars echoing through the trees like thunder. These two, as different as the sun and the moon, coexisted in the same jungle, each playing their own distinct roles. Bumble, with his immense strength, would help clear paths and assist smaller animals in reaching high branches. Stripe, with his keen senses and quick reflexes, would guard the jungle from any potential threats. Their paths crossed one day when a wildfire tore through the jungle. Stripe, despite his bravery, found himself trapped by the encroaching flames. Bumble, seeing the peril Stripe was in, rushed to his aid. With a mighty swing of his trunk, Bumble doused the fire with water from a nearby river, saving Stripe from certain doom. Stripe, humbled by Bumble's act of courage and kindness, thanked him. From that day forward, the two became the best of friends despite their differences. They learned from each other, Bumble teaching Stripe the value of kindness and patience, while Stripe taught Bumble the importance of courage and quick thinking. Their story is a testament to the power of friendship and understanding. It shows that even the most unlikely of pairs can form the strongest bonds when they set aside their differences and work together. In the end, it is not our differences that set us apart, but how we use them to complement each other, just like Bumble and Stripe. So when you find yourself in a situation where you're different from those around you, remember Bumble and Stripe. Remember the elephant and the tiger who found strength in their differences and formed an unbreakable bond of friendship. Be patient, be kind, be brave, and most importantly, be open to the lessons that others can teach you. The moral of our story is simple. Embrace differences, for they are what make us unique and, when combined, can create something truly powerful and beautiful.